George, I'm not so sure I want to jump.
Ah, come on, Peter. Don't be an ass. Ooh. Come on, be a man.
But I'm scared.
Oh, whatever. Come on, man.
But how can I use my parachute?
The parachute can be opened by open it. And don't forget to take out the bomb when you fall. When you jump. Repeat. Don't forget to take out the bomb from the bag with the parachute. 'Cause when you don't, we will explode.
Oh, what did you say?
To get out the bomb out of the bag with the parachute.
I don't hear you.
What? He hears me? Okay. Now you can jump.
Okay, but please, count.
Okay, I will count.
Are you starting to count?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Jump!
You forgot to get out the bomb! Oh, I'm not jumping. He said to me to get out the bomb. I get out the bomb.
I don't die, I don't die, I don't die, I don't die.
Oh, that explode hurts. He don't jump?
He doesn't jump.
He just dropped the bomb. I am George, and I will kill you for what you do to me. Look, I'm a monster now. That explosion makes me an ugly man. I will kill you. I will kill you, 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 kill you. Here you are, pure little guy. Huh? Who the heck are you? I am your nightmare.
What? No bullets? Ah, doesn't matter. I will use this one. Shit, no one have bullets here. Okay, in this case I use this one. It's nice. Oh, it's blocked in the ground. Oh man. So I must use this one. I have one bullet, and with this one bullet I will kick your ass. So, are you prepared to die?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. My revenge, my dream to kill you is now. I will kill you. I have one bullet. I really have one bullet. The movie is over.